Hello everybody, welcome to our new session of MySQL. In this session, we are going to see the text functions that we can use in SQL query. The functions that we are going to see today are case functions to change uppercase to lowercase or lowercase to uppercase and to find substring. Here, you can see that lower or L case function is used to convert a string into lowercase. Both are valid, lower or L case are the valid functions that you can use to convert the string. These are the examples. We have three different queries here in which let's see the first one. The first query is select lower of hello. This hello is given in uppercase and the result you can see here, the result of lower of hello became smaller case. The same letters but in smaller case. Then next one is lower of smaller case hello. There will not be any change if all the letters in the string are lowercase. It will be printed as it is. Now we have the uppercase or U case. Here the function turns the string into an uppercase letters. All the letters in the string will be converted to an uppercase string. You can see the example here. The uppercase, three examples are given in which select upper hello. This will be the query. And when you convert such a string, all letters in this particular string are already capital. So there will not be any change. They are uppercase. But in the second example, you can see that in select upper hello, the H in hello is capital, the rest are smaller case. So in the output, every letter will be in uppercase. Third example give you another solution, that is upper of hello in all small letters, and all the letters will be converted to uppercase. Next function that we are going to see is substring. Substring can be found using three different functions in SQL. They are mid, substring and substr. They are similar. Substring is a part of a string. It is a part of the string. For example, in the string substring, sub is a substring, string is a substring, ring is a substring, etc. Now, if a string is given to these functions, a substring will be extracted from it depending on the value given to the function. Let us see the syntax. You can see the syntax here. The syntax is either mid substring or substr. Function name should be there. Then str, pos, position, from where it has to start taking the substring, and len, what should be the length of the substring. This is the syntax. Now let us see the example. Select substr of computer, 3, 2. What is the second argument? That is 3. In computer, C is first one, first letter, O is second letter, M is third letter. So the position that from where we are taking the substring is 3. From the third character, we will take the substring. And what is the length of the substring? What should be the length? 2. So from 3, 2 letters are taken. From 3, the third letter is M. Starting from M, 2 letters are taken. So M and P is taken as the substring. There we go. Here, M is the third letter and 2 are taken. Now the second example in hello, select substr hello, 2, 3. The string is given inside quotes and the other numbers, the position and length are integer values. Please note that. Now, here some substr hello 2, 3. This will be starting from the second position. The second position is E. And starting from E, you have to take 3 letters. That is ELL will be your substring. Now, the same is shown here. Hello 2, 3, ELL will be your output. Another example, we used mid function instead of substr. Substring, substr and mid, they will give you the same answer. Here you can see that mid of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 3, 4. Starting from the third letter, you have to take 4 length string. What is the third letter here? C. A, B, C. C is your third letter. Starting from C, you are taking 4 letters. C, D, E, F will be your substring. This is the example, the output of the SQL query that we have seen here. Select mid of, you're using mid function here. Mid of, the third example I am explaining, second one we already saw that. Mid of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 5, 4. So you have to start from 5. The position should start from 5 and you have to take 4 letters from that 5th character. So in A, B, C, D, E, F, G, what is the 5th character? E will be your fifth character. From there, you have to take 4 characters. But actually in the string, from 5th character, that is E, only 3 letters are coming. It doesn't matter because even if it is less than 4, the entire string after 5th character will be displayed. That is it. Thank you.